We're here. We're here. We're still in NMB, North Miami. We're on 165th and 16th, northeast on both sides, North Miami. Where are we? Family Cuisine. Okay, North Miami Beach, what's up? It's James, it's Jonas. It's good shit. And we got good shit in our hands. What you got? What we got?
Go ahead and do my honorary pull-up.
Jip, 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 jip. It just fit. Zoom that. Yeah, now you good. That's a part of it.
It's a part of it. It has to happen now.
Like what the All right, I got James clearly has Lumbee. Yeah. James has Lumbee. As you can see, I have the Titanic going on in here. My pickles sank in the sauce. I got the oxtails. James has the Lumbee. And we are going to see what Family Cuisine here on 165th and 16th in North Miami Beach.
Now,
North Miami Beach.
Lumbee is my favorite.
One spoon.
If they mess this up, I'm going to go ahead and throw the whole plate back at the glass.
I'm not playing.
I don't play no games.
That's a $20 plate.
That's a $20 plate for real. And Lumbee, yeah. Let me say one thing about this place that the other places ain't have. Reaction. Okay?
Okay.
Let me tell you about this place that the other spots ain't have. This place has like shrimp, Lumbee. It has oxtails. You ain't get back from the door, man. Are you blocking people's route, man? Another route. Oh, got a blunt coming out. Wow.
Love the shirt, buddy.
That's really nice.
Love the shirt.
Where I got it, but it was on the internet.
Awesome.
It's nice, man.
It might have been Amazon. I'm not sure.
Psychedelic is the word.
Yeah, it's got a lot of guitars in it.
All right.
Lady with glasses on. She's clearly high.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy your Haitian food.
It's not for me. I just an Uber pickup. Oh.
Well, you should have got yourself a plate.
I should.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? I love oxtail.
Yeah, that's what I got. It's in here.
You know.
All right.
That's what you got?
You want?
You better protect that with your life.
Listen. That's right. I'll kill a white man for it. This place has, you go to Haitian restaurants, nous get griot, nous get tasso, nous get turkey, that's it, right? You come here, come on in, don't get killed. This guy's coming hot, and he's coming in hot. He's coming in too hot. It's getting hot. He's doing 30 miles an hour. What's up, man? What's up, brother?
What's up?
Hey, you like this? You like this food?
Yeah.
You eat here a lot?
Yeah.
If you ate here, what do you give this place? What do you rate it? What's your favorite dish here?
What's that right?
Yep. The Jonjo?
No.
Kole? Oh, you like Kole too?
Yeah,
You're a Kole nigga. We gonna call it on son with the D Kole. There you go. Cut the dreads off, man. Cut the dreads off.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Salute to you, brother.
That's a good man. Hey, you want a butt on? You want one?
My man is the bun giver. Like, what I like about this place is it has the meats that you don't find at regular other Haitian restaurants. Huh? Oh, look. Back up, Jimmy. Get this. Tilapia.
I ain't never seen that.
And shrimp. Tilapia, shrimp, poisson, chicken, lumbee, conch, fish, pork, chop, hot dog.
I like how they got poisson and fish. Like,
Oh, come here, look.
and tilapia.
Okay, they got the griot snap, the griot conch. What's dende? What?
All that.
What?
Okay.
What's up, man? What the hell is dende?
It's good food.
That's what it is. That's what I mean.
Look, you get the meats you don't find anywhere else. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and try this oxtail.
While he's trying the oxtail, I did walk off on the rice, and it was not.
That was the rice you ate? I thought that was the lumpy.
The lumbee is amazing.
Okay, that's what I
It's
thought.
really good. In regards to the rice, I've had better.
That's not what we're talking about.
No, but that's what I'm talking about right now.
That's what he's talking about. Man saying he got better.
Everybody's had better.
The rice is not bad, But the rice is an essential. It's the platform of the meal.
It's white rice though. It's natural. It's a neutral. It's a neutral rice.
Hey, listen.
It's neutral.
Don't matter. I'm a Haitian man and I like my rice.
Okay.
How good can you make white rice? Though?
You've had good white rice.
How good can you? Hey.
No.
Est-ce qu'on va mettre 10 blancs là? 10 blancs là. Est-ce qu'on va mettre?
See?
You
You don't want to give an answer. Look, the rice is not bad, but I've had better white rice. Now, moving on to the lambi. Very good. It got that.
Can you show us the texture? We didn't really see. All we saw was jump sauce.
Just pick it up. Just pick up the lambi. Just pick up the.
Look at that. See that right there? It's good lambi. Good lambi.
Okay. So, white rice is white rice. You're going to get that anywhere you go. I can get that anywhere. I'm not looking for white rice to be crazy, but.
That's a lie.
No, let's respect white rice.
That's a lie.
I'm not going to respect white rice.
That's a lie.
How can you respect?
It's not white rice. It's rice. You're forgetting.
One way, babes. One way.
No. It's
One way. It's all right. Come on.
Way.
Come on. It's a one way. It's a one way.
It don't matter. You live here. It don't matter.
All right.
Look, like I said, it's not the white rice. You're just looking at white rice. It could have been Didi John John. It's the fact that it's the rice. It's a very essential part in the meal.
Okay.
Very essential. You eat cheeseburgers without the bun? Whoa.
So.
All right then. God damn. I gotta walk off again.
So I had the oxtail. I wanted to try the pickles, but as you can see, I got a Titanic going on in there. I'm not digging my hands in there. The oxtail is good. I've had better. I think Jamaicans make the best oxtail. So, you know, yeah, I'm going to be biased there. I think Jamaicans do make the best. I do. But it's not bad. I will say this, though. Family Cuisine makes, as of right now, the second best banan peze in a complete box I've ever had. Second best. It's crispy. They got good butter. They got good butter. Look at that. Look. Yeah. You heard that?
That's crispy.
Yeah,
It been in the box.
It been in the box. Oh, hey, how long was it in the box?
It been in the box about 10 minutes.
It been in the box about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. God damn, what
I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna probably say
These niggas got excited.
it's about a 7-3. This is about a 7-3.
Next door right here.
It's a one-way, baby. It's one-way. Look,
Head on clip.
7-3. Good shit. 7-3. The butter really.
Bun saved it.
Regular rice. I've had better oxtail. The food's okay. A little saucy for my liking. 7-3.
Yeah.
354-2151.
What you at?
6'4", man.
Oh.
6'4". I'm gonna be honest with you. Now the lambi saved you.
Yep.
The lambi saved you. But the rice. But the rice.
Have you ever had bad lambi?
Yes, absolutely.
Really?
But the rice is, which ain't bad. It's not bad. But the expectation because of the lambi. I mean, you know.
Now, call test. How many rings are we gonna get to somebody picks
The
up?
wireless customer you called is not available at this time. Please
Wow.
try your call again later.
They got another?
Announcement.
Maybe you put the wrong number.
Wireless
Let's try
customer you called is not available.
Let's do it again.
305 354
354
2151.
2151.
The wireless
All
customer
right.
you called.
This has definitely been good shit. It's a one way. Hit this guy. It's
Oh, they're trying to pour it.
Nobody phone work. Nobody phone work.
so we got 2 spots that ring too much. 1 spot that didn't pay their phone bill.
Maybe they changed the number. Can we? Because it's probably tough to like scrape the numbers.
You got the phone
You
number?
got the phone number to this place?
Nope.
Have you ever
Just found
ordered?
it on Google.
Yeah, go on Google.
Or the
go on
door.
Google. Go
Or
on
the-
Google.
or the
Try that.
door.
On Google.
You gonna do it for us?
Of course.
Thank you.
Pay me téléphone minute on connaît un bon Google. Cap travail pour. No.
She was laughing under the
I
mask.
couldn't
You
tell.
can't
I didn't see it. My neck sweat sometimes. And it
I
makes
think
me,
that is their number.
Call it. Put it on speaker.
that's the same.
Call it and put it on speaker.
354-2151?
Let's see. She got it saved under family cuisine.
They busy.
It's busy.
They,
Okay.
They must have just. They in the process
They
of
seen-
paying the. Yeah.
They seen that we was doing. Look.
Thank you.
The food's good.
Excuse me.
Come on through, mama.
Right.
The food's good. 7.3. I don't know. I gave it 7.3. James said 6.
6'4".
6'4"?
6'4".
Kidding me?
6'4".
I don't know.
Hey, look, 60% is still a passing grade. Still a
Where
passing
you went to
grade.
school?
It didn't take a long time to get the food. It was 20 minutes. They said 20 minutes. Surprisingly, we thought it was going to take longer for the lobby,
Yeah.
but they got it on time. So, all right.
Hey, brother man, LeBron James, what you got in the pan there? What you got in the pan?
You
right
got a
there?
whole pan?
What's in the pan, brother? Oh, he listening to music.
He don't want to talk.
Yo!
No, he got
that's okay,
music.
that's okay. We
He
don't
got
do that.
music. He got AirPods.
We don't do that.
You got AirPods. Yeah, you can't.
We don't care.
You got AirPods there. I seen both sides of the AirPods.